And we're back. Okay, Christmas is over. The cup is basically done in terms of putting the stickers all over it like we did. And now I need to very definitely tack some of these down. I don't think I ever said back in the very beginning, and I can't go back because you've already seen some of those videos. This is a sublimation tumbler. This is a 30 thick sublimation tumbler. So it has a really slippery surface, the sublimation surface. I did clean it off first with alcohol, but it's very slippery and some of the stickers just aren't sticking as much as I'd like them to. So I'm going to use this liquid glue from Tombow. This is great for journaling, scrapbooking, basically sticking things to other things. It's a nice liquid that sticks well. So I'm just going to go around, and everywhere I see a sticker lifting, I am going to glue it down. Okay, Mod Podge. For now, it's as good as it's going to get. I will come back. Oh my God. I don't know what to do about this one. I swear to God. I don't know what to do about that. I feel like putting tape on it at this point. And we're back. You know, it's done. This cup is done. I have put resin on it. It looks beautiful. I will be doing the very, very final reveal out in the sunshine. I think we're supposed to get some one of these days. So stay tuned for that. But I wanted to say a couple words first. This collection of stickers wasn't necessarily Christmas oriented. I don't think Advent calendars really need to be only Christmas oriented, but I know a couple people were a little surprised at how very little Christmas was actually in here. There were a couple things, and that was cool, but mostly it's all their other sticker designers. And I wanted to let you know, if you're at all interested in the Stickii Club in general, they do themes very well. So right here, I'm going to insert 4 quick photographs of a couple sheets each of the stickers I received in November in the subscription for their vintage pack and for their cute pack. They also have a pop pack that I'm not usually as interested in, but I thought you might like to see that they actually do Christmas beautifully. So let's take a look at those real quick. Aren't they lovely and cute? But the other thing I want to talk about is the fact that we are going to do a giveaway! Yay! I am going to do 2 giveaways here. We are going to give away the cup, and I'm going to give away this advent calendar with all the stickers left that we did not put on the cup. So 2 different giveaways. You enter by putting a comment below, liking this video, subscribing to my channel if you aren't already, and I'd love to hear which of the 25 days stickers you like the best. And the other thing you need to do, if you are interested in the cup, in winning the cup, make sure somewhere in your comment you use hashtag CUPZ. If you're interested in winning the rest of the stickers, somewhere in your comment, please use hashtag STICKERZ stickers. If you want to try and win both, use both those hashtags in one comment. Please don't put duplicate comments. One comment per person. I am unfortunately still going to have to limit this to US only. I'm so sorry. I know this upsets people, but shipping overseas is really kind of foobarred right now. I swear to you, when we get to 10,000 subscribers, and I need your help with that. If you want to share my channel far and wide, that might help get us farther along. Get to 10,000 subscribers, I will do a giveaway for a bunch of cups, worldwide shipping. So let's work towards that goal for everybody. And now, here is the big reveal of our Advent calendar cup for 2021.